So guys, finally in San Diego. Feels great to be here, by the way, but I have a little bit of a story. It was a little rough getting here yesterday. Basically, couldn't get through checking in Philadelphia because I had this bullet style belt. So I had to send my bags through bag check. Thought they were going to be sent to Atlanta because that was my first layover day. And actually they directly sent them to San Diego. I only found that out when I got to Atlanta and had to walk all the way across the airport and back to only miss my flight, which I luckily got redirected to New Orleans. Got to see a little bit of New Orleans, that was cool. But it made me arrive later here in San Diego, but I'm here. Stressful, my card was locked out because I went out of state, so it was stressful trying to find a ride to here, the hotel. And yeah, it was quite a stressful day. That's a very short summary of what happened yesterday. But I'm here, guys. Alright. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning here. It's raining. And the weather isn't as glamorous as you expect. It rains here too, and it's not, 80 degrees here, but hopefully within the next few days, or tomorrow, or maybe even later today, it will be. Alright, guys. Peace out for now, though.